It's a good boy. Here, you want to ride in the back? Let's go. Want to ride in the back?
No.
He
I'm
will.
riding in the front.
He will. Watch this. Ready, bunny? Oh, sorry.
That's all right.
Come on, Roscoe! Now he's lying down.
Oh my.
Arwen's saying I get to go back out with my friends now. Come on. That's the funniest thing. You're a nut.
He's like, let's go riding.
Let's go, let's go. You're gonna be a YouTube sensation, dude.
Yep. Arwen's like, great.
Okay, I shall leave you.
Okay. You can be my... Here, I'll just go around you.
Okay.
Maybe. Dude, hi. Yeah, this is helpful. Oh, you want to steer, do ya? You want to steer? Here, let's go the other way so you can see his head. He's just purring like nobody's business,
Yeah.
too. Oh, what is it? What is it? Oh. Want to steer?
Okay.
Yeah, want you steer? Oh, sorry. You are a nut.